cousin show here, and today isn't really Nayla's birthday. It's an early birthday, but we're playing hide and seek. And also we gotta also find people.
Welcome to the special Nene Puppy plus Black Cutie hide and seek video.
Yeah, it's very special. Okay, let's find that person.
We need to find one person.
Wait, is hide and seek over? 'Cause the music. What the? Wait, let's go.
We are going outside.
Yes.
Say hello to Siani. Say hello.
Oh yeah, Siani.
I'm gonna start my alarm.
And Bubble.
Siani is our cousin too.
She has stage fright. People.
So it was really loud in Nayla's house. Well, Nene's puppy's house. And we had to go outside. Oh my god! At least we're gonna go away from what's happening there. And yeah, hide and seek was over. That's sad. What other activities are we playing?
I'm going to post a video.
Then this cake in.
Oh, hello.
Hello.
There's other activities to do. Oh, we could do truth or dare.
Okay.
If you don't feel like talking to somebody, just make an animal sound like I do.
Okay, bye.
What the? Are we not going to talk about what just happened here?
My cousin did that to me.
Excuse me.
I said, yeah, so Brittany did this. She was like, okay, next to her, like, I came zooming after her, and I kind of hit her in the head with my phone, and she had a blister.
Oh, God.
She got surgery.
Demon child.
Yes, I am. I am the bad child. Do you not see
This is a demon child.
Do you see this cute, not long like in face?
Oh, you have gotcha life.
Talk about my gotcha like that. I could be Layla too. I'm a TikTok.
Help me.
Gotcha master. And as you know, I'm a demon type. I beat up all the kids, except for the big ones, and I tried to stab them. What the? I committed suicide to myself in school.
Huh?
And I committed suicide to the kids. So pretty much nobody liked me. So that's why I try to make my own friends. By beating them up and forcing them. What the? And holding kids hostage. Seriously.
Okay.
Holding kids hostage. And they kicked me out of my school. And now I'm in a new school that holds medical kids. It's good
Okay.
enough. But I'm still part demon.
Yeah, I can see that. You're wearing red right now.
Actually, this is pink red.
Yeah, it's still red.
But I have like 13 bloody shirts. Don't worry, it's not pink.
Oh.
It's not
Haley, did you try to make your character? Wait, go back to gotcha life.
Wait, you got Gotcha Club?
Oh, Oh God.
Hold on.
Yeah.
Log out. Log out. Can you help me get
Yeah.
Gacha Club? It won't let me get Gacha Club.
Wait, do you
Is this
have?
an iPhone? Yes.
Oh.
You can't get Gacha Club on an iPhone.
Yeah, no, you can get Gotcha Club, but it's only Gotcha Club is released on iPhones on August. Go to Gotcha Club, nail it.
Yo, how do you make that much Wait, did you ever make a mermaid? Oh my gosh. I'm gonna try to download it. Wait.
No.
Nyla, what's your Wi-Fi
Nyla,
password?
what the?
Nayla.
Oh,
Where your freaking name is? Nyla.
Okay, I'm scared.
Just kidding.
Okay, oh, what is happening? What are you doing?
Tell me what's your Wi-Fi name?
Okay, that's it.
Okay,
To the party.
it's still very loud. Yeah, I'd rather not. Still very loud. Wait. Ariel, say hi. I think there's something wrong with Ariel. She literally just hit my phone.
Just sing this song so
Oh, I know that.
Where's your app store on this? Oh. Let's make a doll who's sticks and stones. You can call me master. You can call me mine.
What? It's from TikTok.
I don't see how that's going to help you.
When you take
get
my
Gacha.
skin, when you take my life, when you wake me up.
What are
when
you even doing?
Up to dry, when you take my soul in the midnight rain. Yeah, I fell in apart.
What are you
when
doing?
go in.
I'm trying to find the video that I just made in a book.
Gacha
Oh.
Club. Where's
There's
the
nothing
club?
else really to
Club
do.
Gacha.
So this is part 1 of Nayla's early
Club
birthday
Gacha.
party. So part 2 will
this
be an
Club Gacha?
activity that we're doing. Peace out.
No.
Well, bye
What
kitties.
does Club Gacha look like?
Peace.